Few are burning furnaces. Many homes across the country still have them. Burning fossil fuels impacts our climate, health, and ultimately our wallets. The time for a more efficient, environmentally friendly, cost-effective heating and cooling solution is here. This is High Comfort System from Hisense. High Comfort is our latest heat recovery system designed to provide efficient cooling in the summer and more cost-effective, comfortable heating in the winter. Even more innovatively, it can deliver hot water all year round. Hisense is proud to introduce the more eco-friendly R32 refrigerant in our High Comfort series, creating a sustainable future alongside you. The sleek design allows it to fit perfectly into your home. VBL design grill effectively reduces wind resistance, making the system run more smoothly. High-efficiency white fan are designed to improve the frosting performance while cooperating with an injection compressor to significantly enhance the heating capacity and heat exchange efficiency. Patented refrigerant cooling technology cools the electrical control box to maintain efficient cooling operation even at 131 degrees Fahrenheit. The all-in-one solution is a 3-pipe heat recovery system that integrates the outdoor unit, air handler, and water tank into one system. It is ideal for new home construction. In the summer, the room's heat is recovered and used to provide free domestic hot water. Even in cold winter, the water outlet temperature can reach 131 degrees Fahrenheit without auxiliary heating. Life should be comfortable, not loud, just a pure bliss. High Comfort Systems transform your home into an oasis of comfort. With just one High Comfort heat pump system, you can meet your home's heating, cooling, and domestic hot water needs. Comprehensive refrigerant leakage detection, alarm, and recovery functions ensure your home's safety is always the top priority. High Comfort also offers a convenient solution for your home retrofit. Adding a High Comfort Series outdoor unit and AHU kit to your existing gas furnaces and ductwork can significantly reduce retrofit cycles and costs. AHU kit is the brain of the whole system. It can control both the furnace and a coil unit simultaneously, making it an intelligent linking system overall. With continued use, High Comfort will help reduce your home energy bill and ultimately your home's carbon footprint. High Comfort crafts a home that's not only low carbon and energy efficient, but also a sanctuary of comfort, ensuring exceptional living standards, revels in the joys of your home, and savor every moment of life.